So it was the other day, decided to want to deliver this sign here in Tweed, and then I got a notification that they want to have me to install it. So I asked for where the location is, where it's going to be installed, and I would have to prepare for that. So I couldn't install it that day when they asked me to deliver it. So I'm making preparations for that now. Yeah, so these are the holes that I gotta make the preparations for. It's going on an uneven a cement wall, like a stone wall. And so I gotta build spacers. And then I'll use special screws for it. And I'm gonna fasten it that way. So that's what I'm looking at now. So we're here in the shop, and then I found a piece of material that we could use. It's a bit messy here, but you see these pieces of nylon sitting up against the wall. I grabbed one of them bars that I have here. So this is my sheet metal area, so it's a bit messy. So let me just walk you right to the lathe, onto the saw. So I got this bar here. Here, you can see I cut the piece off. That is a piece of nylon. And I'm deciding to make plastic washers, spacers basically. So cut it here on the saw. That's what I did here. I made a guide, and then fed this through there, and I got a piece out of there. And now I have it sitting in the lathe, as you can see. So now I'm making spacers that are just over 1 inch thick in diameter, basically, and over 1.1 inch long. They're little blocks right there, just from that square bar that I put in the lathe here. So that's what we're doing. So I'll keep you posted. I got another spacer ready for these for the blocks. So that's what I'm doing here. So now we have these little things done, as you can see. They got little chests on them, and the cutter made a shoulder. That's nice to sit up against the plate. So now we're gonna drill some hole in it, because it is nylon and we want to make clearance for a 1/4 inch screw that goes into that concrete wall with the uneven stones. We use a size bigger than 1/4, because once you drill in this, say for instance, if you used a 1/4 inch drill and you would drill in this material, it would bind. It would actually be smaller than 1/4 inch. It's funny, the drill is 1/4 inch, but the hole will be smaller than 1/4 inch. So we go a size bigger, because plastic has this nylon has a tendency to spread during cutting, shrink after the cutting. So that's what we're gonna do. So we made our setup. So what I did here is I moved the loose pinhole. That's a pinhole, the loose head center. Put the drilling head in it, a 265 thou drill bit, and there's the nylon piece. I'm going to drill right through to make that the spacer that we want. So. There's a piece, it's got the hole right through it, as you can see, and that will be a nice little spacer for these plates, especially when we put it on that uneven brake ball. So that will really nice insulate the plate from damaging, and if there's any unevenness, the screw will tighten that up, and this plastic will give towards the surface. done. I did them all. So we're gonna now make them fit. And now we have the hardware done. So we got here like an example screw. It's a 1/4 inch in diameter. I use a stainless washer so that sits up against the paint, and there's the bushing. So this should work really good. So if I put the screw in here with the stainless washer, there, that's what you got to imagine. And then here, this is from the back. You see, to center the screw in the hole, that's what that little shoulder is going to do. Now it sits really nice. The stainless washer sits nice, and there's no play in the hole. If I hold the, and this will stand off from the wall then. So this is ready for installation. So I can just now pick a day and install this sign and to make it look good. Okay, that's it. Looks good. That was it. Bye for now.